Master crypto transfers. Bitcoin and Binance made simple. Hello everyone. Ever feel overwhelmed by terms like blockchain, a C20, or wallets? You're not alone, but by the end of this session, you'll be confidently transferring Bitcoin or USDT like a pro. Let's simplify crypto. Why crypto matters? Why is everyone talking about cryptocurrencies? Because they're changing the financial game. Unlike traditional money, fiat, crypto is decentralized. No banks or middlemen. Fast. Transactions in minutes anywhere in the world. Transparent. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain. Crypto is your money, fully digital and designed for a modern world. 1. The basics of Bitcoin transfers. Think of Bitcoin as digital cash stored in a virtual wallet. Each wallet has an address, like a bank account number, that lets you send or receive funds. Every transaction is logged on the blockchain, ensuring security and transparency. How to transfer crypto in 3 steps. Let's say you're transferring USDT from OKX to Binance. Get the deposit address on Binance. Choose the same network ERC20 or TRC20 and copy the address. Initiate the transfer on OKX. Paste the Binance address and confirm the transaction. Double check and wait. Verify the details before sending to avoid costly mistakes. Pro tip: using the same network saves your crypto. Stay safe. Always double check addresses. Typos can cost you everything. Use 2-factor authentication to file. Contact support if unsure. Binance and OKX offer 24/7 help. Wrap up: crypto transfers aren't complicated when you know the steps. Now you're ready to send Bitcoin or USDT like a pro. If this was helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for our next session. Top 5 mistakes to avoid in crypto. Thanks for joining. Let's simplify crypto and grow together.